Dear students, today we are going to read page number 86 and 87 of our and 88 of our conversation book. Okay? What it is written in the three? Say aloud the word in this picture. How many words have the sound E? Okay? So what we will read the words I double L ill, I N C H inch, I N in. Then EAT eat, FIT if, ACT act, BILL bill, then AND ant, ant, WIN win, SPIN spin, SHIP ship, then EEL eel, TIP tip, BIN bin, MILL mill, ATE 8, EASY easy. Okay, this much thing it is written in this bird's body. So read. You should read. Okay, read and spell the words. Now come to next. Listen to Arjun tell you about the things he can do and he cannot. But unfortunately, this track is not working. Okay, so we could not listen. But I had told you to practice. Okay, what thing you can do, what you cannot. Like the boy is, can you write? The girl is saying, yes, I can write. Now I ask you, can you skate? If yes, then yes, I can. And if you not, then you say, no, I cannot. Can you sing? Yes, I can sing. No, I cannot sing. Can you climb a tree? No, I cannot climb a tree. Yes, I climb a tree. Can you play football? Yes, I can play football. No, I cannot play football. Can you swim? Swim? Yes, I can swim. No, I cannot swim. Like this, you practice to say, okay, by using can and CANNOT cannot. That is why it is given. Now, work in group. Ask three people what they can or cannot do. Write your friend's name in the table. Take what each friend can do. Put cross for something they cannot do. Write your name only and what thing you can do, you write tick, and what thing you cannot do, you write cross. Okay? Now come to the next. It is a fun activity. Here it is given the sound of the animals. I can bark like a dog. Which one? Okay. Woof woof means a dog. I can moo like a cow. Moo. I can roar like a lion. Roar. I can hiss like a snake. Zzz. I can mew like a cat. Meow. I can quack like a duck. Quack, quack, quack. I can crow like a cock. Cock-a-doodle. I can bleat like a goat. Ba ba. Okay? So these are the things for your fun. Listen to this poem, then read the poem along with your teacher. Means you read. This is for your fun activity. Okay? Okay, student? Do it. Read and learn what I have teach today. Okay?